What if you needed something doing at the moment with the loss of an idea of where to start from? Ooh. Or maybe you needed something very small just to put the body and soul together while waiting for the mega to come. Now, what if you needed something additional just to boost up an already existing business? Then I would say congratulations for finding this video, as it is promising solutions to all these problems, as it will expose you to a shortbread-like cookies product with simple ingredient recipes and smart method of production. And if you stick to the end, you will also learn the rightful specification and packages for these given products and every other thing you need to supply this product and cash out immediately. I'm so sure you'll be glad to find me. Just keep watching and learn. Hello, it's Chinedo Vincent from salpesfoodblog.com. And we teach you how to make pastries, snacks, and lunch packs. Subscribe for more valuable food contents ahead. This cookies is what I produce, I package and supply. You too can follow suit. Place in the oven and bake in a low heat just for 30 minutes. And here the cookies is ready. This is crunchy. You can grease surfaces with strips of margarine, just for the better and shiny look. Now let's move into the packaging business. This is a plain packaging thin bag with a measurement 4 by 7 inches. And I got this here in Nigeria at the rate of 450 naira. That's less than $1 for a pack of 100 pieces. You can actually get this in any good pastry store around you. One good thing about this packaging is that it is transparent and has a self-gumming properties. Just peel off the closing strip close to the opening, and I'm gonna fold it now and it will gum on its own just like that. You don't need any other external rope or film to tie your products. That makes it so convenient, so smart, and look good as well. It's sealed in such a way that air cannot penetrate your products. Currently, I supply this at the rate of 300 naira per one, and they sell at 350 naira. But feel free to sell higher or lesser depending on your cost of production and depending on the city where you are. And that's all for this video. I'm sure you will like it. Please give us a like and subscribe if you've not done so. You can also follow us on Facebook at Salpe's Kitchen, and be rest assured more beautiful updates just like this one. And finally, ensure to transport your cookies to the place of supply in a tight container to avoid breakages. I sincerely love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.